This yellow is too yellow for me. So I decided now I'm going to repaint it. So I've sanded it down again. And now I bought I think the right color. So I'm just going to repaint it again. Ish. Yeah, now it's painted, but look here, I don't like this. There's something wrong here. So I have to fix this first. Repaint it again. Lekker man. I've washed the door, but I feel here is a take hierso. And here is somewhere around here. Where? There. There's the other one. I felt it. Yeah. There's the one. There's the other one. And here's a big one. So just let it dry. And I could fill it on and stuff. I want to finish this door today. I've already done the left door. So this one is fine already. Remember here was the I had to weld a piece of metal in here. But it looks fine. It's just a flippin' sticker, man. To get it off. Then I can do it. That's how I get this off. Sticker is gone. Now I'm going to paint this backside yellow because here's sanding this down with a rough here, and then I'm going to paint this backside also yellow. Then I can put it on the bucky and paint the whole thing. So let me just mix the paint, start the compressor, and then away we go. Yeah. Just not enough. Have to mix some more. Yeah, man, that is how it must be. What went wrong with the previous 3 times? But it's fine now. Now just put it out in the sun to dry, and then it's... I have to repaint the bakkie once for the 4th time, because that's not like this. This is better. That one doesn't shine. So I have to sand that down and do it all over again. Eesh. Now the bonnet is just gonna flat it now. I've already covered the dents, so just now to smooth it out. Okay, just primer these 2 doors and the bonnet, then I can put it on the bakkie. so I can spray the whole bucket. Yeah. Okay, so let's start the paint stop and start the compressor. Let's go. Okay. The primer now. Now let dry and sand it again. Then put it on the bucket and then I can paint the whole bucket. Oh, I need the fender as well. But I'll do that before I paint everything.